In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share saved homes on Zillow. Whether you've been bookmarking your favorite properties for personal consideration or to assist someone in their search, sharing these saved homes can be incredibly useful. So let's walk through the straightforward process of sharing your saved homes on Zillow. First, you'll need to navigate to the Zillow website. If you haven't already done so, log into your account. Your login credentials are your passport into your personalized Zillow experience, allowing you to access all your saved homes and preferences. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can see various options and features Zillow offers. Now, look for the FX option on the screen. I know this might sound a little mysterious, but it's simply an icon or a section you can click on to access your saved homes. Clicking this will take you straight to a list of all the homes you've previously saved. Remember, this list is your personal collection, so having easy access to it is key. After arriving on your saved homes list, you'll want to pay attention to the right bottom corner of each home displayed. Here you'll notice three small dots, or comas as they're commonly referred to. These three dots are your gateway to sharing, so click on them. When you click on the dots, a menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll select the option that says Share. This is the moment where sharing options open up to you, and you can decide how you'd like to share the information about the property you've saved. Zillow offers a few ways to share with others. One straightforward way is by email. You can send the listing by entering the recipient's email address, and within moments, they'll receive detailed information about the property in their inbox. Another way to share is by sending a link. This option is perfect if you want to quickly drop a link into a chat or share it via social media. Just copy the given link and share it wherever you see fit. Finally, if you want to share directly to a phone, you can send the property details via text message. This is incredibly handy for quick, on-the-go sharing, especially when you want to discuss a property in real time with someone who might not be in the same location. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can easily share your saved homes on Zillow, making your property search not just a solitary activity, but a collaborative one. Thanks for watching, and happy home hunting!